Yeah. Chopstick came with a large low main. Extra clip in it, nigga, I ain't got no aim. Ball main, pocket feel fresh romaine. And I stay with the cash like an XO chain. 5,500, nigga, that's your rain. When I go to the club, make a storm hurricane. Nigga pull up, thinking G.I. Joe, man. 762, turn them G.I. Jane. Said Rick and Boo, they be knee-high, man. Now when I look down, you know I can't see my aim. Now she after some rats, gave her 3 times 10. Put her right in the condo, put her in the bin. And I did all of that, no one see her again. And honestly, on the better things, that's a friend. These niggas groupies, they peons, man. King of my city like Leon, man. Head of these niggas by Eon, man. She let me touch for the free on, man. So you know that's a must like Elon, man. They was saying I was spinning, you was saying I'm counting up green like a pea pie, man. I was holding down my team like my name was paid to make sure my brother good Elon, man. Cartier's got diamonds all in the middle like a nigga pulled up with 3 eyes, man. Just know them shits, they all GI, man. Everybody got rollies, that's team time frame. I said my cycle tryna be my main. I said my man go keep stopping my side. I told her shut up and go for a ride. In the road truck, girl, yeah, you can be on the bus. Woo. You can get what you want. Out the mall, no need to hold me up. Woo. Riggedy racks, that's all in my Louis V jeans, double stuff. Yes. I'm turned to the max, these little itty bitty niggas know it's up. Chopstick came with a large low man. Extra clip in it, nigga, I ain't got no aim. I said ball main, pocket feel fresh romaine. And I stay with the cash like an SO chain. 5,500, nigga, that's your range. When I came to the club, make a storm hurricane. And nigga pull up, thinking G.I. Joe, man. 762, turning G.I. chains. Up, uppity. Moonwalking all on the money. When I moonwalk, my diamonds still sunny. When I moonwalk, I don't need no 20s. When it comes to the drip, not in front of me. When Balenciaga on my jacket, my shirt, and my pants, and my socks, and my undies. Yeah. Wow. I'm too litty, yo. Bitch like Chinese kitty. 942 in my section, no rim. Let's go. To JT out the city. I can make a hoe get way too sticky. Yeah, way too sticky. But hold up, don't you got a whole situation? Live my life too risky. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing great. I put up in the fire, let's race. Yes, I stay with some money on me. Only thing in my pocket, big face. It's amazing to me how my baby pull up with a fat ass and a skinny waist. It's amazing to me how I spend all this money and I ain't even go myself. It's amazing to me how these niggas don't know me but still find a way just to trade. It's amazing to me how back then she ain't want me but now she want go on a date. It's amazing to me how she asked for them racks so that girl get the fuck out my face.
When I look at you in your eyes, I see there's something burning inside you. Oh, inside you. In your eyes, I know it hurts to smile, but you try to. Oh, you try to. You always try to hide the pain. You always know just what to say. Find love in someone else too many times, but I hope you know I mean it. When I tell you you're the one that was on my mind, when it's said and when it's done, yeah, I would never let you know. I'm ashamed of what I've done, yeah. When I look at you in your eyes, I see there's something burning inside something burning inside you. Oh, inside you. You always try to hide the pain. You always know just what to say. I always look the other way. I'm blind in your eyes. You lie, but I don't let it define you. Oh, define you.
Trying to copy my identity. I'm off a beat, talking to demons down, they draining my energy. Shoot at your top, not at your best, knock your head off like you Kennedy. I think these drugs are my remedy. Don't fuck with my mood, don't fuck with my mood, don't fuck with my mood. Yeah, taking each trip to the moon, sitting only till I snooze. These hoes pick and choose. You got me confused. Walk around geeking, don't know what today. A mirror on me, make these niggas look basic. These triple S, but I don't run no ace. She want to go, yeah, you know I embrace it. Yeah, goddamn, I'm on a perk in his ass. Bathing, they came from Japan. I swear I'm in love with these days. Caught a new coupe, I don't want no sedan. I'm up there in space, yeah, I'm in a trance. These niggas so lame, they don't understand. Stand 10 toes down, yeah, you know I'm the man. I think these drugs are my remedy. Don't fuck with my mood, don't fuck with my mood, don't fuck with my mood. Yeah, I cannot fuck with that little bitch cause she toxic. Double C3 in my shine when I'm walking. Look at my jewels, little bitch, yes I'm flossing. Overseas drip, yeah, my pants came from Lofton. Yeah, I might pour a foreign this leader. Finna fuck the hoe once and then leave her. All the molly, she be prancing. Look at the diamonds, they dancing. It's GBG, no question. Steezy on here, he gon' bless you. Rub on main off to the jacket. Pull up and hop out the coupe. Spaceship, vroom vroom. As the trippin' out the shrooms. My body fly to the moon. For that bitch in my own room. For that bitch in my own cool. All these bitches won't fuck with me. She wanna hang around and pop a little bit. She just want more, she turn to a fiend. These hoes come and go, they get passed to the team. 5200 on me, this from my gang GBG. For the boy, bitch, yeah, I glee. Off to Molly in the lean, he got me caught in a dream. Coding with promethazine, any bar by the 3. Bitch on geek, bitch on geek. Nah, these bitches not feeling me. I don't want friends, these niggas my enemies. They on my clones, they selling swag, trying to copy my identity. I'm off a beat, talking to demons down, they draining my energy. Shoot at your top, not at your best, knock your head off like you Kennedy. I think these drugs are my...
So guess what? What? I don't know.
Taking life and drain your life.
If it's a deep, I gotta bite it. If I see weed, I gotta light it. If I get feelings, gotta hide it. If it's illegal, I don't mind it. I broke my wrist, I gotta ice it. I wanna see you be my sidekick. If I post pics, you gotta like it. If you do this, then you're the nicest. To be honest, if